Iwan nyo lang silang nakabukas. Tapos pagbilang ko ng ay baba nyo muna. Tapos pagbilang ko ng 3, itataas natin sila ng sabay-sabay. Okay lang ba yun? Okay. Kung alam nyo itong next song, sing as loud as you can. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, hey! Was there a lifetime waiting for us in a world where I was yours? Paper planes and porcelain, smell of rain from the window pane, and the sight of you. Oh, you were a dream. I was scared to lose you then. Secrets turn into regrets. Buried feelings grow. Oh, you were a dream. If you know it, sabay-sabay! Was there a lifetime waiting for us in a world where I was yours? Was it the wrong time, but if we tried, even if we really belong to the world we had before? Let's go with it! Tangled with the other's eyes, never mind, you were never mine. Glimpse of me and you. Oh, you are good. Alam niya na to. Smoke and ashes from these letters I'm burning. The fairy tale ending till there was no beginning. Is it even worth it to reminisce now? Do you live for a life that tonight and exist? Time waiting for us in a world where I was yours. Was it the wrong time? What if we tried, even if a little more, to the one we had before? Let's go! Okay, palakpakan natin! Simba! Was it too bold of me to assume? Catch me away, just another. Say the word, I'll drive in reverse. I will spend glimpse of me